Hi, today's review is for Pascha brand organic dark chocolate. It says passionately pure, 55% cocoa with cocoa nibs. 55% cocoa is not very dark, so I'll have to figure that out. Free from peanuts, nuts, dairy, soy, eggs, wheat, and gluten. It says it's USDA organic, non-GMO verified, and it is fair trade certified. And they go through a list of bean to bar near the source, made in a dedicated allergen-free facility, made with fine cocoa beans. And it does have very plain ingredients, which is excellent. Sugar, cocoa butter, cocoa nibs, vanilla. So you like to see that. It is a product of Peru. So a lot of the South American countries, in general, and there's going to be differences on each one, but so you can't over generalize. But a lot of the South American countries will have better practices for fair trade. Especially the child labor issues is a lot more severe in the African countries where a lot of cocoa beans are from. There's still going to be spotty things, but typically these are from South America, so it will say fair trade certified, but always look for the certification. Okay, servings per container, 2.5. There's 10 pieces for 240 calories, so that implies each piece is 24 calories. So let's take a look. Okay. All right. It's wrapped up in. Oh, so it's got cocoa nibs on the bottom. So let me open the metallic. Okay. The foil wrapping here. Now take a look at the bottom and you see all of the crunchy nibs. And if you look at the color, it looks more milky chocolate than it does dark, but it says it's a dark chocolate. With the 55, I'm a little curious. But anyways, so this is each square, and that should be 24 calories. So let me break one off. Okay, so I have a few nibs on the bottom, so let me try this and see how it's going to be. Okay, I ended up eating the entire square, which usually I just take a bite, so that tells you something. It's got a crunchy, pleasant flavor. The flavor of the chocolate it's almost got a fruity tone to it from inside the chocolate. So that's interesting. Some downsides, it's not as creamy as I would expect. So it does. If you look at the thickness again, it's either you put the whole thing. You should put your whole thing in your mouth and then suck through it, which is harder with the nibs. Or if you have it's a little bit more difficult to crunch through it because it's thick. But the flavor is excellent. It doesn't taste like a real dark chocolate, but the combination with the nibs does add something. It adds a little crunchiness and a wonderful fruity flavor. As I said, I'm a little suspicious of the dark chocolate piece to it with the 55% cocoa, but and it doesn't taste like a real dark chocolate. So that's my only nitpick. The crunchiness with the smoothness is really good, and the floral tastes of the chocolate itself is outstanding. So that's Pascha chocolate, organic dark chocolate. If you enjoy these reviews, please hit subscribe on my channel, and also feel free to comment about any ones that you'd like to see in the future. Thank you.